Imagine your space always booked with effortless reservations and streamlined management. Welcome to Slot. Be a partner in just a few steps. Step 1. Let's sign you. To get started, enter your phone number and insert the verification code sent to your number. Next, complete your profile by filling in your name, email, gender, and date of birth. Once that's done, sign into your account. Step 2. Set up your space. Now, go to your profile and click on Be a Partner. Select Create a Listing, and then click on Space. Here's where you'll fill in the details of your space. Space name, logo, photos, a clear description, list your amenities, add your country and city, include your social media links, and pinpoint your map location for easy access. Click Next to continue. Step 3. Upload ownership documents. Your owner ID, trade license, utility bill, and your emergency contact information, including their name, relationship, and phone number. Click Next to proceed. Step 4. Fill in settlement details. Now, let's set up your payment information. Provide country, currency, bank name, bank branch, account number, UIBAN number, and SWIFT code. Click Next when you're done. Step 5. Set operating hours. It's time to define your operating hours. Set the availability for each day of the week and confirm your times to move to the final step. The next step is to create your booking slots. This process will be explained in detail in another video, where you'll learn how to define the type for each slot and customize your availability to manage your bookings efficiently.